So we're having a problem with getting fence posts or electric fence wire on this well casing. It's just really thick and there's no good way of doing it. So this is our solution. I'm going to take one of these. First of all, we're going to drill this here. And then we're going to take a self-tapper and put it inside of here. And line her up here. Quick and easy solution, a lot cheaper than the $6 or $7 a piece clamps, so might give that a try. Just a cheapy bag of insulation, post insulations for wood, and self-tapper screw.